Today, it's October 29th, Wednesday, 2025. Here's today's updated 2-week weather forecast for DFW metroplex. A rain advisory is in effect until 7 p.m. today for the DFW metroplex. Wednesday and Thursday bring sunny skies and dusty winds at times. Winds can gust as high as 50 miles per hour. Lows near 43 and 44 degrees. And highs near 62 and 66 degrees. No chances for rain. Friday through Sunday brings clouds and sunshine, with a 40% chance of a few rain showers on Saturday. Lows from 51 to 48 degrees. Highs from 67 to 72 degrees. Next week, Monday and Tuesday, brings sunny skies with no chances for rain. Lows near 48 and 51 degrees. Highs near 70 degrees and 71 degrees. Wednesday through the following week, Monday, brings sunny skies with no rain in sight. Lows from 49 to 58 degrees. Highs from 71 to 78 degrees. Tuesday and Wednesday brings more rain on Tuesday with a 60% chance of rain. Then clearing up to sunny skies in the afternoon on Wednesday. Lows near 46 and 45 degrees. Highs near 69 and 64 degrees. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to help more people stay ahead of the weather. Please pray for Jamaica, for the Category 5 Hurricane Melissa devastated 7 towns. Though the island itself is not wiped off the map, some towns is. It was the strongest hurricane in Jamaica history. Keep praying for them, and I'll see you next time on Science Weather Watch.